Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose security, tap on screen lock and select one of those login methods. Swipe pattern, pin or password. Click at the chosen one and enter it. Then choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and tap on done at the bottom right corner one more time. So now when I turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!